Hey guys, today we're gonna create this moving snake animation, and my templates is selling on MotionElements. If you like, please check it out. Then let's get started. First, create spline. Click spline tool, spline of snake shape. So like this, wavy shape. Like this, okay. And go to make cylinder, and it depends on your spline though. Change radius. In my case, it's maybe 20, and height it's 20. No. 30. Okay, and height segments, I think around 20, because after that we're gonna create snake by this cylinder. So when this cylinder become wavy, height segments is better. So go to cap and check fillet. Fillet is like this. Cylinder corner will be round, maybe 1 and 1, but no fillet is also okay. And next, make sure that after you click cylinder and hold Alt key and click cloner. This cylinder is child of cloner. Okay, and go to object and count maybe 20, and position Y, it's in my case my cylinder was 30 centimeters, so this position Y maybe 35. Okay, and click cylinder and Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this new cylinder, bring it down under the cloner, and we're gonna apply material, but I have prepared these two materials, so I apply it like this. Okay, now like this, and go to this bend button and click spline warp, and click cloner and Alt G to create null, and open it, and spline also drop down to null. Okay, so click spline and apply this spline to spline. Go to axis, Y axis. Okay, so we're gonna create animation, so go to more graph, effector, and shader, and drop down to null, and go to cloner, effectors, drag and drop this shader to effectors like this. Now it became fat, but go to shader and parameter, turn off uniform scale. Alright, and this scale Y a little bit turn up, like maybe 0.3. Okay, and go back to shader again and go to shading, and this shader pull down, click it, and click noise and into noise, and go down in animation speed. Animation speed is maybe 1. Loop period, it's 6. Okay, and maybe between object and object there are a little bit spaces, but we're gonna change later, so it's okay. So cloner, uh, 36 35.5, maybe it's okay. And this area a little bit weird, so if your sneaks also like this, go to spline and turn off spline warp and change a little bit like this and turn on spline warp. Okay, and we're gonna create tail and snake head. So go to spline warp and object, open it up the sides and adjust a little bit. In my case, my first dot of this spline was tail side, so left side is tail. So bring it down and grab this handle and bring it up like this. Okay, and next head, bring it down and grab handle and bring it up. Okay, and hold Control key and click somewhere like this. Okay, maybe it looks like snake. Maybe this part too wavy, so I turn off spline warp again and maybe like this. Okay. Okay. And the last part, we're gonna create eye. And to apply symmetry is a hassle because this shape is not in the center of this line. So please decide which part you use, and maybe in my case this part, so I'm gonna create this side eye. and click sphere radius, maybe 2, and select 2 and bring it up, and maybe around here. Here is maybe better. Looks cute. Okay, it's finished my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please tap like button and subscribe my channel from upper right button. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter from links on my description or these IDs. Thank you.